In the quiet town of Okaira, where evenings smelled of wood smoke and ripe plantain, lived a calm and respectful Yoruba boy named Tunde. By day he worked at his uncle's carpentry workshop. By night he mended old radios for his neighbors. Tunde believed in patience, just as his mother had taught him. Good things come to those who wait. One hot afternoon, a new family moved into the compound next door. They were Fulani, gentle people who arrived with long-horned cattle and a soft musical language. Among them was Zainab, a graceful girl with shy eyes and a quiet smile. She wore colorful scarves and walked with a dignity that seemed to command the ground beneath her feet. Tund saw her for the first time as she swept the compound one morning. Their eyes met for a fleeting moment. Zainab looked away quickly, her heart racing, while Tund lowered his head in respect. But from that instant she never left his thoughts. Days turned into weeks, and small moments began to bridge the gap between them. Tund fixed Zainab's broken radio, asking for nothing in return. Zainab started greeting him each morning, her voice soft but warm. Sometimes she'd bring him fresh milk in a calabash, and other times he'd share roasted corn with her as the sun went down. Soon they started talking, sharing their dreams under the moonlight. Zainab wanted to be a nurse. Tund dreamed of owning his own workshop. Their cultures were different, but their hearts spoke the same language. However, in Okaira, love was a matter for families, not just two people. Whispers started to spread. He is Yoruba, she is Fulani. Their traditions are not the same. This love will not last. When Zainab's father learned of their closeness, he gave her a firm but gentle warning. She was already promised to a wealthy Fulani man. From a neighboring town that night, Zainab cried her heart out. When Tund heard the news, his own heart grew heavy, but he chose patience over anger. Accompanied by his family's elders, Tund visited Zainab's father. He knelt respectfully, his voice calm but sincere. He spoke not of wealth, but of love, responsibility, and unity. The elders listened intently. Zainab's father was torn. He admired Tun's character but feared breaking with tradition, so he asked for time to think. In the weeks that followed, Tund worked harder than ever, proving his worth to the community, while Zainab prayed silently, her loyalty unwavering. Finally, one evening, the elders called them together. Zainab's father spoke slowly. He said love without respect fades, but love with patience grows strong. He had watched Tun's actions, not just his words, and found him worthy. The previous engagement was cancelled. Joy erupted in the compound like the morning sun. On a bright Saturday, drums beat as Tund and Zainab were joined in marriage. Yoruba songs mixed with Fulani melodies, creating a beautiful new harmony. The girl from the next compound became the woman of Tun's life, and their love story became a testament that when hearts are pure, culture doesn't divide, it connects. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this story, please like and subscribe for more.